All right. Mouse, not covering my face this time. Hey guys, how's it going? Joey C here. Hey, I've got another, hopefully very useful Audacity tip for you today. And for preface this, I just want to preface this and say, you're going to want to use your headphones. Get some good cans on, because if you're just listening through laptop speakers, you're probably not going to be able to tell the difference. And you just got to get those cans on, right? So here's a situation. You've recorded something amazing, right? Everything you do is amazing. And you love everything about this piece of audio. It's great. For some reason, you don't need to re-record. Everything else is fine, but just this little snippet is bothering you. So I'm going to show you how to take care of that. We're going to do some precise editing in Audacity, get right down to a waveform level, and see if we can fix our problem. So let's go in. So you've got your Audacity waveform, and so what we're going to want to do here is give it a play so you guys at home can hear what's going on. So this is for real. Did you hear that? There's a little bit of a click hanging out in this area. So let's play that one more time. So this is for real. I don't like it. I can hear it. I don't like it. I hope with your cans on, you can hear what's going on. I'm going to play this snippet one more time. For real. Did you hear that? One more time. For real. Doesn't sound good. There's something not quite right over here. So we're going to zoom in, and you see right there, that's our problem. This waveform is our problem child, and we need to get rid of it. So what we're going to do is, as you can see inside of this thing, everything is kind of following the same very repetitive hill and valley, hill and valley, hill and valley. And some of them even kind of have this double hill. And that's, if you look at our waveform, our problem child waveform, that's what's going on. So there's this valley, distortion at the bottom. We don't want that distortion. And then as they go up to the top of this, there's also another piece of distortion. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow from a very close neighbor to this hill and valley. We're going to precisely put this cursor right there. We're going to scooch it over just a tick. We're going to copy that. We're going to take over our existing waveform. We're going to paste it right on top of that. And if you look at the whole thing, now everything is looking nice and smooth again, which is exactly what we want. Now let's zoom back out and give that another play and listen closely. Let's see if you can hear it. So this is for real. Not present, right? One more time. So this is for real. So the audio that you didn't like, if you looked at it really closely, you saw the distorted piece of waveform, you fix it with a very close neighbor right specifically on that line, then you have yourself a very cleaned up piece of audio with actually not a whole lot of effort. So let me know what you guys think. Could you hear the difference? Could you tell that this situation was actually edited? I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. I hope this was useful, guys. Have an awesome day.